Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening GNOME disks and picking the physical disk you want to work on. First, visually confirm the device model and size so you avoid the wrong disk. Then check Smart Data and existing mount points. This tells you if the drive is healthy and which partitions are active. Once done, unmount any mounted partition you will modify. Make sure you have backups. Modifying partitions or formatting is destructive, so pause and confirm before proceeding. You now examine partition details and choose the specific action you need. If resizing, set the new size carefully and apply. If formatting, pick the file system and set a label. For creating a partition table, select GPT or MBR based on your target system. Use the gear menu for advanced tasks like checking file systems or restoring an image. These operations can take time, so monitor progress. Remember to set mount options. You finish by applying any pending operations and waiting until GNOME disks report success. After actions complete, remount the partitions and verify file access and permissions. Update /etc/fstab if you changed UIDs so mounts persist. If the system won't boot or a partition is missing, stop and check system logs and smart data. Run a file system check from disks or live media. As a troubleshooting tip, restore from your backup image if errors persist, and then reevaluate steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.